So today we're just doing a sneak peek of what this glass elevator is looking like. I'm on the top floor, and I know they have to create something to put over the drum motor up there to protect that, or just put a panel on the top of the glass, which I guess the engineer screwed up. That's really the top of the cab, and I actually saw it running. So you know, it just goes up and down like an elevator with a button. So that thing rises, and there's the cab. But I don't think that's set yet in terms of the height. Yeah, I know it's not, probably not. But it's got the collars around the glass panels. So yeah, that's the height of the cab. When the door opens, they'll have to clean it up. And exciting. They've been operating it with this off and on switch there. But it's pretty cool. So everything we don't see right now is glass that go into these little, see those little panels, those little channels. They're like a U channel there. That's where all the glass goes. You can see the LED lights in there, and I know they'll have to clean it up. They're already complaining about it, but that's okay. It's white, and white gets dirty, but they'll have to fix it. And it goes all the way down into this ring on the bottom. Wow, pretty cool. A lot of work. And of course an owner who may or may not appreciate it. I don't think she does. But anyway, it's amazing. We're really excited about it because we know that it really gives us an opportunity to help someone age in place in their second home. And it's amazing. Ciao for now. And this beautiful view.